You're never too old to learn. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth should not be limited by age. The phrase, "You're never too old to learn," holds true for individuals of all ages and walks of life. As we age, it is essential to embrace learning as a lifelong process, as it enriches our lives in immeasurable ways. Continuing to learn, regardless of our age, allows us to adapt to an ever-changing world, acquire new skills, and broaden our horizons. Whether it's taking up a new hobby, learning a musical instrument, or mastering a foreign language, the possibilities for personal growth are endless. Moreover, learning in later stages of life has numerous benefits. It keeps our minds sharp, enhances cognitive abilities, and may even reduce the risk of cognitive decline and certain age-related diseases. Engaging in intellectual challenges and stimulating activities fosters mental well-being and overall happiness. Furthermore, ongoing learning promotes social connections and personal development. It provides opportunities to network, engage with like-minded individuals, and build new friendships. Learning allows us to share experiences, knowledge, and perspectives, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie. While the challenges of learning may seem daunting, it is crucial to remember that age should never be a barrier. Embracing a growth mindset and maintaining a positive attitude towards learning is key to overcoming any obstacles we may encounter. With determination and perseverance, we can overcome difficulties and achieve success at any stage of life. In conclusion, the proverb, "You're never too old to learn," serves as a reminder that age should never hinder our pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. By embracing learning as a lifelong process, we open ourselves up to new experiences, skills, and opportunities. Regardless of our age, it is never too late to start a new journey of learning and self-discovery. So let us break free from any limitations imposed by age and continue to expand our minds and thrive in this ever-evolving world. Remember, you're never too old to learn. We live in a world that is constantly evolving, with new advances in technology and knowledge being made every day. It is essential for us to keep up with these changes and continue learning regardless of our age. The saying, "You're never too old to learn," holds true in every aspect of life. Whether it's learning a new skill, exploring a different culture, or gaining knowledge in a specific field, there is always something new and exciting to discover. Learning can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to our lives as we engage in activities that excite and challenge us. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.